Hi, everyone. Welcome to our presentation today on time management for undergraduate students, mastering your time, mastering your life. I am Margaret Watira from the Wingspan Center for Learning and Writing Support, and I'm thrilled you're joining us. Let's be honest, between classes, work, friends, and everything else life throws at you, managing your time as a student can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we're here to give you some tools and strategies that actually work. Let's dive in. The Writing Center is part of a larger Center for Learning and Writing Support. We offer support services in the 4 different categories listed on the slide. First is the writing support through undergraduate and graduate one-on-one writing consultations to brainstorm, draft, and revise writing projects. Secondly, we have tutoring services, which include one-on-one and small group tutoring upon request for a variety of courses, including math, chemistry, biology, physics, languages, engineering, computer science, and more. Thirdly, we have supplemental instruction where SI leaders provide study strategies for note-taking, organization, and test preparation. And fourth, peer academic coaching services where we have individual and group supports to help students set and achieve goals and develop behaviors, habits, and strategies for success in college. You're welcome to visit us in Anstu's Library, room 424, or set an appointment with us through Jayhawk GPS. Why is time management so important? Well, when you manage your time, you manage your stress, your energy, and your success. It helps you stay ahead on assignments, reduce last-minute panic, and carve out space for things you love. Think of it this way. Good time management isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters and doing it well. Take a moment to think about how you currently manage your time. Do you use a planner, sticky notes everywhere, or that one friend who reminds you when everything is due? What's your biggest challenge? Procrastination, overcommitting, Netflix? No shame here. Just take a moment to be honest with yourself. Some common time management challenges include procrastination, where you say, I'll do it later, and this turns into, oops, it's due in an hour. Overcommitment. You probably said yes to everything and now you're buried. And thirdly, distractions. TikTok, texts, friends, food. It never ends. Does this sound familiar? You're not alone. We've got strategies to help. One of the strategies that can help you overcome time management challenges is to use the Eisenhower matrix. This sounds fancy, but it's just a way of sorting your tasks into 4 boxes. The first one would be urgent and important tasks grouped together. Those ones you need to do them now. Anything that is important and not urgent, plan for it, schedule a time for it. Thirdly, those that are urgent but not important, delegate or limit. And finally, not urgent and not important, let it go. This tool helps you stop reacting to everything and start focusing on what really matters. Another prioritization technique is the ABC method. And in the ABC method, you label your tasks into these 3 categories. Category A, must do today. B, should do soon. And C, nice to do. Once you list these, then you can also think about the 80-20 rule, where you spend your energy on the 20% of tasks that bring 80% of your results. It's about working smarter and not working harder. Time management becomes even easier when your goals are SMART. That is, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to study more, you could say, I'll study for Math 123 3 times a week for 45 minutes. You will be more motivated and more likely to follow through such a SMART goal. Here is another sample of a SMART goal. I want to get a B on my next Math 123 exam. I'll attend tutoring and use office hours weekly, and the exam is in 3 weeks. C, specific, achievable, and time-bound. That is how you turn goals into action. It is specific because I want to improve my performance in my upcoming Math 1 to 3 exam. Measurable. The measurement for success is a B or above. Achievable. I achieved a C in my previous exam, so I believe I can increase 1 grade by using resources like tutoring, TA office hours consistently through the semester. It is relevant because the goal of getting a B will help me with making progress towards my degree, and it's time bound. My exam is in 3 weeks. Now let's talk about daily planning. Use a planner, be it digital or paper, whatever works for you. Also, learn to use time blocking as a strategy where you schedule specific blocks of time for tasks, and also learn to use task batching where you group similar tasks together to improve efficiency. For example, you can answer emails together, you can run errands or do readings together. So this is like meal prepping for your schedule. As we mentioned previously, one of the greatest challenges of time management is procrastination. And so if procrastination is your nemesis, and for most of us it is, try this. Break it down. Big projects feel less scary in small chunks. You can also use the Pomodoro technique, and in this, you decide on the task that you need to do, set the timer to 25 minutes, work on the task until the timer rings, take a short 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a 15 to 30-minute break. And after you've done all that, learn to reward yourself. Incentivize completion of tasks with small rewards. For example, you could treat yourself to a walk, to a snack, or a dance. Anything that's going to make you happy. Distractions are sneaky. Start by noticing what pulls your focus, and then take back control. Use a study space with minimal noise. Silence your phone or use apps like Forest, and let people around you know that you are in study mode. If you're able to minimize your distractions, then you will be able to focus on the task at hand. We have some tools that you can check out, like Trello or Asana, where you organize your tasks and projects. You can use Google Calendar to schedule and manage your time, or use Forest or Focus at Will. And this tool is going to help you stay focused and minimize distractions. Try to find out other apps that can work for you and actually use them. It's not just about school, and it shouldn't be. Learn to set boundaries, separate study time from personal time, schedule downtime, make time for relaxation and hobbies, and also learn to say no. Avoid overcommitting to tasks and activities. And yes, no is a complete sentence. Your well-being matters. Rest isn't a luxury, it is a necessity. A solid routine builds momentum. Try starting and ending your day with consistent habits, whether it's journaling, walking, or setting tomorrow's to-do list. But hey, life changes, so stay flexible. Routines guide you, they don't box you in. Oftentimes you will feel overwhelmed, and if this happens, please stop and take a breath. Break down tasks. Take one step at a time. Seek help. Do not hesitate to ask for support from your professors, from your peers, from your coaches, and practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself during stressful times. You're doing your best, and that's enough. Learn to check in with yourself regularly. At the end of the day, ask, what did I get done? What could I adjust tomorrow? Do weekly check-ins to help you stay on track and grow your skills over time. And have continuous improvement. Look for different ways to improve your time management skills. After all, the biggest room in this world is the room for improvement. Now that we have covered all that, What's the one thing you want to try starting today or this week? Is it setting a SMART goal, blocking your time, or using Pomodoro technique? Pick one. Start small, build momentum. A quick recap of what we have discussed so far. For us to manage our time properly, we need to do the following. Set SMART goals. They should be clear, realistic goals which will guide your efforts. Prioritize what matters. Plan your day using planners, time blocking, and task batching. Beat procrastination. Break tasks into steps, use Pomodoro technique, and reward yourself. Manage your distractions by identifying them and minimizing them. And finally, balance your life. Set boundaries, schedule downtime, and develop routines. Before you go, we'd love your feedback. Please scan the QR code on your screen and fill out our 2-minute survey. Your thoughts help us improve and support you better. Thank you so much for joining us. Remember, you're not alone. Our team at Wingspan is here to support you. Stop by room 424 at Ernst Hughes Library or visit learningandwriting.ku.edu. We offer tutoring, writing help, SI sessions, and peer academic coaching, all designed with you in mind. Take care and happy planning.